Today I'm going to show you how to convert fractions to decimal. So let's look at this question. Convert 1 over 4 to decimals. I'm going to put 4 on the outside and 1 on the inside. Now if you need a refresher on long division, I have a video on that, but we'll go over this in this video as well. Now 4 cannot go into 1, so I'm going to put a decimal, which gives us 1.0. Now we haven't changed our value of that 1 is still 1.0 is still 1. But now we can look at this. So 4 cannot go into 1, so we're going to put a 0 there, a point. Now 4 can go into 10 2 times, because 2 times 4 gives you 8. 10 minus 8, 2. We want to continue. I'm going to put another 0 there. And I'm going to bring down my 0. So that gives me 20. And then 4 goes into 20 5 times, because 5 times 4 gives me 20. 20 minus 20 gives me no remainder. So 1 over 4 converted to decimals gives me 0.25. Let's try another one. Let's convert 3 over 8 to decimals. So we're going to put 8 on the outside and 3 on the inside. Now 8 cannot go into 3, so we're going to put a 0 there. And I'm going to extend my 3 to 3.0 so we can do our long division. Now I'm going to find multiples of 8 such that we reach 30 or under 30. That's close to 30 though. So 8, 16, 24. That would be 3. And then 8 times 3 gives me 24. You're going to subtract my 24 from 30. That gives me 6. I'm going to add another 0 here so that we can extend it a little bit more. Bring my 0 down. Then we look at multiples of 8 such that they can go into 60 or under 60. So 8 times 7 gives me 56. I'm going to subtract my 56 from 60. That leaves me a 4. Add another 0 there. Bring my 0 down. Now 8 times 5 gives me 40. If I subtract 40 from 40, my remainder is 0. So therefore 3 over 8 is equal to 0.375. Let's try this one. 3 over 16. Put my 16 on the outside and 3 on the inside. 16 cannot go into 3. Got to put 0. 0.0. 16 can go into 30 only one time, because 16 times 2 is 32. I put 16, and we're going to subtract 16 from 30. That gives me 14. I'm going to add another 0 there. Bring it down. I get my 0. Now, 8 times 16 is 128. So we're going to subtract 128 from 140. That gives me 12. Bring down another 0 there. 16 times 7 gives me 112. Subtract that from my 120. It gives me a remainder of 8. And I'm going to stop there, but we can keep going on. Now let's say they want you to leave your answer in 2 decimal places. Now because our third decimal place is a 7, we're going to round it to 0.19. Now we round it up because 7 is greater than 4. So anything that you have 5 or higher, you're going to round your number up. So you get 0.19. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I offer tutoring services as well as notes, lessons, and worksheets online. Links down below. And I hope you found this lesson helpful. Thank you for joining me.